In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Canva logo template. Let's search for some logo templates for inspiration. See a lot here. They look nice. Okay, let's go for something minimalist like this. Customize this template. All right, and I'll be adding a page so I can create one from scratch. I want something circular as well. So let's have some shapes like a circular shape. Okay, just like that. Make it a little bit bigger. There you go. So it's kind of green. And I'll be adding a text. The text box. And this one will be like bread and bacon. Make it a little bit bigger. And I'll be curving this, so let's click on Effects, Curve at the shape part. How about that? Or maybe I can edit this some more. Okay, the curve should be, oh no. Shouldn't be like that. Shouldn't be like that too. It doesn't look good to me. Okay, better. Just like that. So that's bread and bacon. So we have the BB initials. I'll add another element and search for B and B. Letter B. This looks nice. Let's see all. Okay, I think they look great. However, I'll just be using a frame, like B frame, just like this one. I'll go for this and I'll add a picture, uploads, and can I use this? Let's try. Ooh, okay, that looks fine. That looks better, but no. Doing some experiments here. No. What about this? Oh, looks fine. Okay, so that's our letter B. And let's have another B. How about a small one? No. Okay, let's just have the same letter B, but a different design. So let's go to uploads again, and let's go for this. Doesn't look good. No, we can just duplicate, click that icon. Okay, and we'll go for something like end, but it should look sassy. Oh, something like this. Oh, great. Let's tilt it. Change the color since it's not very visible. Definitely not green. That looks nice, but not visible. Yeah, but fine. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Yeah, I like it. Oh, just like that, we are slowly creating our own logo. Not artistic, but I'm trying my best. Now let's add number, like established 2015, like that. So like EST dot 2024. The font already looks nice, so we don't have a problem there. I want to curve this too. So let's go to effects again and curve, but not that kind of curve, this kind of curve. And I'll make it a little bit smaller, tilt it, and move it. I don't like it that way. Try again. No, 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 no. Just like that. Hey, wow. I'll just move some elements. Okay, I'll be locking this. So if you want to lock an element, just click on that element and right click. You'll be able to see lock position only. I'll be, oh no, I also have to lock the green background. Okay, so click on that element and lock the position. All right, I've been moving this. Make it a little bit here. I love it. Well, that's about it. That's how you can create a Canva logo template on Canva. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.